Alright, y'all, welcome back. If you're new, welcome. I am gonna get ready for school. So I'm gonna show you guys my makeup look and my outfit. Let's get right into it. So because I'm going to school, I don't like to be too crazy with my makeup. Like, I'm not trying to impress anyone, and yeah. Most times I don't wear makeup to school. Only recently have I actually started to wear a little bit of makeup, but it really depends on how I feel. But yeah, I don't do anything crazy. So I'm just gonna start off by doing my brows. I don't know, I feel like for me, the eyebrows really matter. Like, it changes the whole game if you have good eyebrows or nicely shaped eyebrows. Remember that my eyebrows are cousins and not sisters, so they don't need to be like exactly the same, you know, but as long as they look decent, then we're good. Put a little bit of concealer. Like I'm super tired, you know, so I'm going in with some translucent powder. It's almost done. I need another one. Taking some highlighter. I'm just going to put some in my brows. A little bit on my nose. And then for my eyeshadow, I just put brown for the most part. actually exist, but I like to like darken my beauty marks. So I have one right here. I don't want it to be perfect, so I just kind of put that there. I do this once in a while, not all the time. And then the mascara. And it depends on how I feel. I usually don't do the bottom lashes, but I feel like it today. Okay, and then last but not least, I'm just going to put on some lip gloss. A little bit crazy, a little bit wild, but still cute. So I'm gonna show you guys my fit now, and then yeah.